Hello, my dear clients, friends. So today's project is going to be, we will take all the doors and the hardware out from the cabinets. We will lightly sand them down and refurbish them, change the color. We'll make them a light gray because that's what my client wants. So let's go ahead and prep everything. I'm going to remove all the doors and the hardware, and then we'll show you the next step. Alright, so the doors are out, all the hinges and the handles are out. What are we gonna do from this point on? All the frames, they're gonna get slight and lightly sanded. We'll clean them with a little water, warm water. Clean it, let it dry, and then we will put the primer and then the finish coat. Doors the same, they're gonna get sanded down. So today we're gonna do the back part, let it dry overnight, flip them over. Tomorrow we're gonna put again primer and a final coat on the face. Then install all the hardware back off. They're gonna go onto the frames, adjust it, and be done. So you see, you don't have to build custom build cabinets if we are on the budget, or it doesn't make any sense for it to be hauled and make everything brand new. We could just refurbish them and give them a new lease on life. Stay tuned, we'll see the next part. So we're gonna sand them lightly a little bit because you don't have to strip them, or if you like to strip them down. This is what I do for me. Everybody has a different idea. This is what I find that works for me and for the projects that I'm doing. As you can see, friends, we are already done. All the hardware was reinstalled. As you can see from the frame on, everything is repainted. Yeah, this will be good for a long time. And, as you can see, everything can be done on a budget. Next thing I think should be done the countertops. But for right now, that's all. Hope to see you guys soon. Thank you.